Hey guys, this is Ryan and Chad here from CNR Reviews. Doing a series of videos here on customizing or replacing parts on your 1911. This is a Kimber Custom 2 1911. I'm just customizing it, changing the colors out here from black to stainless on the parts that I can actually replace by myself. So I've already done the bushing. If you guys are looking of how to actually fit a Wilson Combat bushing on here or a replacement bushing, check out our other video.
Should be labeled.
It should be part 1 here. This is going to be part 2, guys. And this is going to be the slide stop / release. So I changed mine out from a regular slide stop to an extended slide stop. And you guys can see that there. A problem with the 1911s, the slide stops and slide releases are very, they're really close to the gun, and they don't give you a whole bunch to actually put your thumb on and press down to release that slide if you're changing a mag. So I know a lot of competition guys, some carry guys, they've changed this out. I just like the look of it and the feel of it better, so that's what I went and did. This is a Wilson Combat replacement slide catch in stainless, and I'm going to show you guys how to take that out. Luckily, I didn't have to fit this actually, but I'll show you guys how to fit it if you need to. So, alright, I've already taken my barrel bushing out. That's real simple to do. If you want to see how to do that, check out part 1 like we said. Alright, so what you do is you just move your slide back here after you take your safety off. And there's going to be a little notch. If you guys can see that there. A little notch there. And you just line up the top of your slide catch with that. And you should be able to press on the other side of it over here. Just press that out. Grab it. Take it out. Just like that. Very simple. This thing cost me, for this little tiny part, because it's Wilson Combat, of course. Now Wilson Combat is some of the best 1911 stuff out there. There's Dan Wesson, there is Chip McCormick, there's Nighthawk. I don't think you can actually buy Nighthawk parts though. There's Les Baer, there's Kimber. I bought a Kimber because I know Kimber's high quality. I know changing out some of these parts is is kind of stupid on it, but I just wanted the look of the stainless and the black. And also to do these videos for you guys here. So again, this is a Wilson Combat.
How much was it?
This thing was about $30. So I believe it's anywhere between 30 and 35, depending on the website you go to. I actually didn't get this from Wilson Combat's website. They were out of stock. I bought this from Brownells. That's Brownells.com, guys. They have a ton of replacement parts. They have a ton of just gun parts. If you're looking for magazines or slide stops for your Kimber, you can go there and you can pick it up. Same price as the Kimber website for these guys. So, and faster shipping than Wilson Combat. This thing got here in like 2 days, and that was just standard shipping. Ordered it that morning, went out 2 hours later in shipping. It was awesome. Brownells is great. So anyway, luckily this one just slid right in and it fit for me. I've heard some guys have a problem with that this is too thin. Okay, that this actual pin part is too thin on their gun, and when they put it inside of the hole here, as they fire, it starts working itself out. You're gonna have to check with your gun to see if the part's going to fit or not. If it's too loose, guys, send it back. You get a different one. It doesn't have to be Wilson Combat. It could be Chip McCormick. Shit, it could even be Olympic Arms down in or Springfield. Or we did check out a Springfield EMP. Now the Wilson Combat parts may not work on the Springfield EMP 9mm. It's a 1911 variant. Some of these parts may not fit. The holes are a little bit different because it's a 9mm versus a 45. But anyway, if it's too big to fit into this hole, what you want to do is take some sandpaper, guys. This is how I fit this part back here, this thumb safety. you just take some really fine grit sandpaper, grip on it, and just move it back and forth like this. Make sure you go nice, around with it. Make sure you're getting the whole thing sanded down, rather than just one part, and just keep going through it. Really fine grit. You're gonna see some stuff coming off of it, and then try it after 10 passes, 10 little spins. Try it again. If it doesn't fit, go back to it. Be patient, guys. It takes time. So if you're don't try to take off a whole bunch of material and then stuff it in there, because it's not going to work. Also, sometimes with these replacement parts, the actual slide catch itself is a little high, and just hit that with, I would hit it with a steel brush first to kind of maybe deburr it, with a little Dremel, because sometimes it'll have a machining mark on there. This one does. It has a little circle on there. Let's see if Chad can put that a little bit closer. Chad, tilt that. You're not on the screen.
I'm sorry.
There you go. Yeah, if you guys can see that little circle right there.
It's right there.
Yeah. So I just deburred that on mine. Mine was catching a little bit. Took that down a little bit, polished that up, and then I hit it with the steel brush over the whole thing, and then hit it with some Flitz polish. If you guys want to see the demo on that, check out our Flitz polishing demo. It polished up really nicely. I'm probably going to hit it again to get that mirror shine out of it, but it started out like this, guys. And it started out really dull, and then it turned to that. So yeah. But yeah, this is the slide stop. This is the extended slide release slide stop from Wilson Combat. That's how you install it, guys. You can install it just the same. Make sure you find your barrel linkage in there. Slide it in. We'll start at the bottom here, and you kind of push. You kind of push at an angle. You push kind of down and up at the same time, and it'll go straight in. So
remember, guys, if you get one of these slide stops and it's super loose,
send it back.
Send it back. Get yourself a different brand. There's a ton of other brands out there. And remember, if you have that brand of maybe a Kimber one, and you know that Kimber makes a stainless version, contact Kimber, call them.
Yeah, guys, Kimber makes some really good replacement parts if you want to change out. They make stainless guns too, so if you guys want to keep with your Kimber parts, I don't think they make an extended slide release, but they may. I haven't seen it on their website, but the Wilson Combat drop-in safety extended slide stop, or slide release, whatever you want to call it, will work in the Kimbers, in the Kimber Custom 2s. So if you guys are looking to replace that, just go ahead and drop it in. So all right, we're going to continue on in part 3. If you guys want to find out how to do a thumb safety on a 1911, check out part 3 of our video here. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this, please subscribe to our channel. If you guys have any questions, let us know, and we can help you out as much as we can. Thanks.